Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Friday, January 22nd. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Our first trade of the day, we got long 1895. 1895 was an opportunity. I said that they might take it up to the 1900 level. If they get up to the 1900, we'll have to see what happens for higher. They got up there and then they failed and came down. So that was up to a 5-point trade. Some people got almost 4 on it. Some people did get 5 from the 95 level. But 4 for the most part. I know a lot of people got it out somewhere in here. And some people held a runner, and then they, after it came down here, and then it came up here and did all this, and they got out of their runner and they just locked in a point or two on their runner. Some people obviously were just out of bullets on the push up, on the push up, and they didn't have anything left anyway. That was a nice first trade. Market came back down. We got long on a ZL, 1880. Some people were long at 1890. Some people were long at 1889 quarter. And I told everybody 92. That's exactly where it went to the tick. Okay, my line was there the whole time. We actually hit it again here. You could have made a point hitting it again there, but if you held, it would have been a break even. And most people didn't hit it again, from what they told me. So another point or break even on that, but so I'm not going to count that. And then down here, I said you can hit the ZL again. Some people were long around 7/4, 7/4, and some people were long at 750. And again, realistically, it would have only been a couple points because then it came back down, point or two, unless somebody had a lot of contract, depending on how they managed it. We walked through this in real time, but if you're 2-lot trader, something like that, 3-lot trader, you probably were only going to make a couple points on that trade. Market came down, and again we started getting short. Some of us were short from 550, some of us were short from 750. 550 we added at 750, we got on a break even here. Then when it came back down to 550, we hit it again for 2 points. Some people just waited because they didn't want to have to add. They got in at 750 and they made money that way. So that was a 2-point winner there, and that was the day. Market was up big, and we're still basically right now we're about where we opened. We opened at around the 91 area, between 90 and 92, 93, and we're right there right now. That's what we did. So we're going to come back on Monday. I'm sorry, today's Friday. We're going to come back on Monday and we're going to do it all over again. And until then, I want everybody to have a great weekend, and we'll see you back next week.